Hello everyone, welcome to PV Maths. In Trapezium, the parallel sides are of length 4 cm and 16 cm. The base angles are of measure 30° and 60°. Then we need to find out the distance between the midpoints of those two parallel sides. This question is from KVS JMO. If you are interested to solve this problem, you can pause this video now and try to solve. Otherwise, let's begin to solve this problem. To find the solution, let's draw a trapezium ABCD in which AB is parallel to DC. The length of DC is 4 cm and the length of AB is 16 cm. We need to find out the distance between the midpoints of these two parallel sides. That is we need to find out the distance between midpoint of DC and midpoint of AB. Let's consider M is the midpoint of AB and N is the midpoint of DC. So we need to find out the length of MN. To find that, let's do some constructions. Let's drop a perpendicular DE to base EB and also drop a perpendicular CF to base AB. Now we can say that DEFC is a rectangle, and in rectangle we know that opposite sides are equal, so the length of EF becomes 4 cm. Similarly, in the same way, let's try to find out the lengths of AE and FB. For that, let's consider the length of AD as x centimeter. Now, let's express the length of AE in terms of x centimeter. So for that, let's consider right angle triangle AD. In right angle triangle AD, cos theta is equals, we know that adjacent side by hypotenuse. So here cos theta value is 30 degrees. So cos 30 degrees equals AE by AD. We know that cos 30 degrees equals square root of 3 divided by 2. So square root of 3 divided by 2 is equals AE divided by x. X is the length of AD. Then twice of AE is equals root 3 times of x. Then the length of AE is equals root 3 by 2 into x. Then let's try to find out the length of FB. To find the length of FB, we need the length of CF in the right angle triangle CFB. So we don't know that. So we know that CF is equals to DE. So in the triangle ADE, let's figure out the length of D, so we can use it as the length of CF. So in triangle AED, let's use sin theta. Sin theta is equals opposite by hypotenuse side. So sin 30 degrees equals DE by AD. We know that sin 30 degree is equals to half. So 1 by 2 is equals DE divided by x. Then DE is equals half of the x. So DE and CF are the opposite sides of the rectangle. They are always equal. So DE is equals x by 2, which is also equal to CF. Now in triangle CFB, we have the length of CF. With the help of that, let's try to find out the length of FB. For that, let's use tan theta. We know that tan 60 degree is equals CF by FB. Tan 60 degree value is root 3, which is equals to the length of CF is x by 2 whole divided by FE. Then root 3 is equals x by 2 into 1 divided by FE. At last we have FB is equals x divided by 2 root 3. Now we can write AB as AE plus EF plus FB is equals 16, because it is given that the length of AB is 16 centimeter. We expressed AE and FE in terms of x. So let's use it and try to find out the value of x. So AE is equals root 3 by 2 into x plus the value of EF is 4 plus the value of FB is x by 2 root 3 equals to 16. Then by simplifying this, we get 3x plus 8 root 3 plus x is equals 16 into 2 root 3. Further simplification gives us 4x equals 32 root 3 minus 8 root 3, which is 24 root 3. Then x is equals 24 root 3 divided by 4. Then we have the value of x as 6 root 3. Now we have the value of x. With the help of this, let's try to find out the value of AE. We know that AE is equals root 3 by 2 into x. Since we have the value of x as 6 root 3, then AE is equals 3 into root 3 whole square, which gives us AE as 9 centimeter. Now, let's try to figure out the length of ME. We know that M is the midpoint of AB. So, the length of AM is going to be 8 centimeter. We just got the length of AE, which is 9 centimeter. So, the length of ME is going to be AE minus AM, which is equals to 9 minus 8, that is 1 centimeter. Now we know that N is the midpoint of DC. So the length of DN is going to be 2 centimeter. Let's drop a perpendicular NG to the base AB. So this DNEG is also a rectangle in which opposite sides are equal. So the length of DN is 2 centimeter. In the same way, the length of EG is also becomes 2 centimeter. It is given that CF and DE are equal to x by 2 centimeter. We know the value of x as 6 root 3. Then the value of NG becomes 6 root 3 divided by 2, that is 3 root 3. So, in the right angle triangle NGM, we have the lengths of NG, MG. MG is equals ME plus EG, that is 1 plus 2, which is equals to 3. So, let's use Pythagoras theorem in the right angle triangle NGM to find out the length of MN. So, with the help of Pythagoras theorem, we can write MN square is equals MG square plus GN square. Length of MG is 1 plus 2, that is 3 square, plus the length of GN is 3 root 3 whole square. By simplifying this, we get 9 plus 3 square into root 3 whole square, that is 9 plus 9 into 3. So the length of MN square is 36 centimeter. Then the MN is equals square root of 36, which is 6 centimeter. So the total length of MN is 6 centimeter. That is the distance between the midpoints of those two parallel sides. That is the solution. I hope you all got this solution. Thank you for watching the video.